Hey guys, I've got a good one for you today. MidJourney. If you're new to AI art, you insert some text and the bot will work. It's magic on producing something it thinks you want. Check out some of these designs on the MidJourney server in Discord. I'm going to show you how to get the best out of it. So if you have one of the subscriptions, you can access the bot in your direct messages like where I am here. If you haven't signed up to a subscription yet, you can use one of the newcomers rooms on the MidJourney page. Go down to type to MidJourney and first type / on your keyboard. If you start typing the word imagine and enter, it will auto-complete to the prompt option. From here you can type whatever you want. I'm going to go for a mountain range in Switzerland. It will then gradually build out your artwork. I'll fast forward this one and skip future ones to keep us moving. By default, you will see 4 outputs that the bot has generated. If you like one but want something changing on it, you can select one of the V options along with the number associated to your artwork. I want to make this one a little more snowy. The bot will then get to work on adding snow to the existing image. It will then print out another 4 photos, which hopefully has one you like. Once you have found one you like, you can use the U option to upscale so you can save it in beautiful high definition. Okay, now this is just the start. Let's have a look at some styles we can use. I want the mountain range again, but this time I want it in an 8-bit style. Notice how I'm using colons to weight the strength of my prompt. If you want to encourage the bot to focus on a specific prompt, give it a max weight of 5. Hey, these look pretty good. Next, I want to try the Swiss mountains in the Ice Age. I'll keep the weighting equal for now and add the new prompt. Wow, stunning. Let's see if we can do better. Let's try the Swiss mountains, but this time with a Wild West twang on it. I really want the Wild West theme to come through, so I'll max out the weighting. Okay, these look straight out of a movie. I like this top left one personally. Right. I want to move away from styles for now. Let's add some lighting prompts to our instructions. Let's also freshen up the prompt and make it about a lion in the desert. I'll give it a strong nightclub lighting as that'll be pretty unique. Hey, this top left one is pretty cool. This time I think we'll put it in the spotlight. Not bad, but we can do better. I want to add some camera options. Let's imagine a delicious cupcake, and let's put it in a fancy shop. Let's magnify the cake, and here we go. This bottom right one is very odd. Not sure how it's seeing that through the magnifying glass, but that's the beauty of AI art. Let's try again. This time I'm thinking we make a miniature cupcake world. Don't forget to think of your own ideas as we go, folks. Make it as weird as possible. Wow! The hands on some of these are pretty good too. I like the bottom left one here. That's not all. We can also use the bot to create artwork in the style of artists. I like Andy Warhol prints, so let's go for him. Okay, it's a little confused. I think I gave it a too high of a weighting. Let's try a different artist. Let's give Banksy a whirl. We'll put his spin of things onto a carnival in Brazil. all very different, but I can see the Banksy twist on it. There's even more we can do, so keep watching. Let's do some colors. Let's have a nice sunset next to a cruise ship, but I want it all pink. I'll give this one a high weighting to make sure it captures it. That bottom right one is just perfecto. I might print that out later and stick it up in my house. Okay, let's bring together everything we've learned and make one big masterpiece, shall we? Let's give it a prompt of a beautiful cottage in the countryside. Let's have it in France. Why not have it in anime style? And what about a candlelight feel? Panorama cameras? Renee Magritte's spin on the art, yes please. Oh yes, matte black too. Here we go. Ooh, very interesting. This top right one is spooky and ominous. For those who are still watching, I'll give you a quick bonus tip. Now keep this to yourselves as not everyone knows about this. You can actually use an emoji as a prompt. Here, check it out. I'm going to give it a rocket ship, and then we'll give it a heart. Not sure where the heart is, but hey, maybe the astronaut loves their job. Anyway, it's been a pleasure showing you this. Please subscribe and I'll make sure to get some more interesting videos out to you real soon. Oh, and feel free to hit me up on Discord at Whiteboard Wisdom with what you created. Catch you all soon. Hoot, hoot.